Hello guys, welcome back to my channel USA Immigration and Visa. Hope you guys are doing good. Today I am going to discuss about common reasons for US student visa rejection and how you can overcome the rejection for the US student visa. With a US student visa, you can access world-class opportunities, internships, and other work study opportunities. But the key to your dream of studying in the United States is a US student visa approval. So it is very important to know the US student visa rejection reasons also, due to which your visa could get rejected, and prepare yourself for that. First, I am going to discuss about the types of US student visa. Then I will come on the rejection part, like what could be the rejection reasons and how you can overcome them. So, about the types, there are three types of student visa that the US immigration issues: F, J, and M. You must apply and be accepted to a US institution of higher learning recognized by the Student Exchange and Visitor Program before you apply for any of the visa, that is F, J, or M student visa. So what is F1 student visa? You can enter the country with a US F1 student visa if you are a full-time student at an approved college, university, or other academic institution. What is M1 student visa? M1 visa is for studies that are not academic or vocational. Once you have been approved to study for at least 12 semesters or quarter hours at a community or junior college, post-secondary vocational school, or post-secondary business school, the US Department of State will give you a visa, that is M1 student visa. Now the third one, that is J1 visa. J1 visa is also known as exchange visitor visa. It is for anyone outside the US planning to take part in the study and work related exchange program in the US. An educational or non-profit institution usually sponsors this visa. Applying for a J1 student visa under the college and university student program category will let you study at a college or university in the US for the duration of your course. Now coming to our main topic, that is reasons for the US student visa rejection. Let's discuss the main reasons that are there for student visa rejection. First one is no intention of returning back to your home country. This is one of the main reasons for US student visa rejection. The slightest hint to the visa officer that you do not intend to return to your place of origin becomes the main reason for the rejection of a US student visa. You must be prepared to provide evidence of your deep ties to your home country, like close family relationship, successful business or job, or real estate that is there in your home country. The visa officer looks for confirmation that you are strongly connected to your home country and will return back after finishing your studies in the US. Second reason is insufficient financial funds. Your academic records and field experience are not the only thing that will grant you a visa. Before obtaining a visa, visa authorities would want to ensure that you have enough money to support your schooling and living costs for the duration of your stay in the USA. This again becomes as an excuse for visa denial if the financial document falls short of persuading them of your financial eligibility, which makes insufficient financial funds one of the main reasons for US student visa rejection. Third one is incomplete application form. An incomplete application form is one of the common US student visa rejection. If any column of the application form, that is DS-160 form, are blank, your application can be denied. The form will ask you to enter NA even if the answer to the question is not related to you or it is not suitable as per your situation. A visa application can be denied if it contains incorrect information. Always remember to check and recheck your application before submitting it. Next one is providing incorrect information. Providing incorrect information during the US visa application process or your interview is a big suspicion for visa officer and one of the reasons for US student visa rejection. The last thing you want to do in a visa interview is lie to the visa officer. If any of the information on the application form does not match the information on your travel document or any other document, then your application will be refused by the visa officer. This frequently occurs when people hurriedly fill out form and at the last minute and try to submit it without checking it. Verify that all the details on the application form match with those in your passport and other documents. Next one is delay in application. The US Embassy or consulate requests you to submit your application on time so that it will be finished from the before the date of your journey, because they also need time to analyze and verify all the details and to issue you a visa. So it is a process that takes time, and you have to provide them the enough time for that. Your application will likely be rejected if you submit it after the deadline set by the embassy and before your planned departure date. Delay in the application is another main reason for US student visa rejection. Next is visa interview. Your visa interview is one of the big steps where things can go bad if you are not careful to the answers that you are giving to the visa officer. It is one of the major reasons for US student visa rejection. Make sure that you are confident during your visa interview and that all the information you provided is correct and true. It would be very risky for you to act casually during your visa interview. Being late for your visa interview is a mistake. The visa officer will not appreciate it if you are casually dressed and risk offending them. They also pay close attention to your body language. If you appear uncomfortable and not confident, you risk getting yourself into trouble. They expect you to come across as confident and well mannered. Next one is inadequate academic achievements. Another one of the US student visa rejection reason is inadequate academic achievements. The visa officer wants you to show that you are a promising student. You must have adequate English language skills. Poor GRE scores and lower GPA might also make it difficult to obtain a student visa. If there is ever a backlog in your academic records, you must be able to explain it. The ranking of the university you attend before and you are going to attend in the US also matters for the visa officer to issue you a visa. Make sure you are well informed about the university and you able to explain about your university and forward all your efforts to present your experience and academic history and achievements. Next one is bad travel history. A bad travel history in your past can have negative effects on your US visa application process and is also one of the reasons for US student visa rejection. If you have a history of overstaying in a country, have been denied a visa in the past for any nation, have engaged in activities prohibited under the specific category of visa in the past, your application can be rejected. So, after explaining so many reasons about how your visa can be denied or why your visa can be denied, there will come a question in mind: if my visa is denied, can I reapply again, or how many times can a student visa can be reapplied? So the good news is that there's no limit for the number of attempts you can make and apply or reapply for the US student visa. Each time you apply, you need to bring something new to the table. Think of it as a fresh start. With each application, you can present updated documents supporting your case and your current situation. How you can avoid visa rejection. Here I will try to explain few steps that you can take so there will be less chance of visa rejection. First one is ensure your application is filled out with accurate and complete information. You must thoroughly review your details to eliminate incorrect information. Second, make sure to include all necessary documents such as financial documents and other documents. Keep in mind that all documents should match with the purpose of your trip and demonstrate your ties to your home country, including the intention to return after your study. Third, be truthful and clear about your intention and connection to your home country. Authorities can verify your plan to return following your trip. Next one is organize all your documents neatly in one place so that they are accessible on the day of your visa interview. Respond truthfully to all questions and use your document to support your answers at the visa interview. Thank you very much for your time today, for watching this video to the last, and I hope this video will help you and guide you to avoid the visa rejection reasons and make sure you get your US student visa. Thank you very much.